...2007 Aston Martin Vantage N24. Aston Martin built and road registered. This accomplished example of Aston Martin's first off-the-shelf race car from the Gaydon works. Conceived by former Aston Martin CEO Dr. Ulrich Bez and built within the newly formed Special Vehicle Operations based at the Gaydon factory. Boasting 410 brake horsepower and 1,330 kilograms, some 250 kilograms lighter than the standard Vantage road car. Built for the purpose of endurance racing, the N24 first made its competitive outing on the notorious Nordschliefe circuit in the Nurburgring 24 hours in 2006, finishing a highly respectable 4th in class and 24th overall out of 220 entrants. Following the N24's initial and successful outings, a total of just 14 N24s were constructed by Aston Martin's Special Vehicle Operations, prior to motorsport competition engineers Prodrive continuing production and eventual evolution of the N24 into the GT4. The N24 on offer is one of those first 14 Aston Martin built examples, and believed to be one of only 4 to have been certified and registered with DVLA for road use. Built with the 6-speed manual transmission and driven by the first owner primarily on the road, the car was subsequently prepared by Velocity Motorsport and raced in a select number of AMOC and GT4 Challenge races, including the Le Mans Aston Martin Festival 1-hour race in 2012. By 2019, and with a fresh Aston Martin N24 4.3 litre race engine installed, this car was safety updated and fully prepared prior to a shakedown test at Silverstone that year. It was planned to be raced in 2020, however, with the advent of the COVID pandemic and resultant lockdowns, the 2020 season was cancelled. Put away into professional storage, the car has remained unraced since preparation. This competitive N24 is now eligible for inclusion in the newly created Masters Historic Racing GT Trophy, currently run in conjunction with the prestigious Endurance Legends Race Series. An extremely rare opportunity to acquire a road-registered Aston Martin factory-built Vantage N24, updated and prepared for racing, track events or for road use. A comprehensive spares package is included with the car, including handbrake fittings, spare wheels, exhaust components, suspension components, springs, lamps, hoses, hydraulic pipes and running essentials. A list is available on request. Available for viewing now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.